Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Bridge. Here, we make learning English easy and fun with real conversations and simple lessons. Let's get started. In this video, you'll learn 50 daily English conversations. Are you ready? First, sessions at home. Morning wake up. Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. And you?
I slept okay. Ready for the day?
Yes, let's start.
Making breakfast. What do you want for breakfast?
Maybe eggs and toast.
Great, I'll make it.
Thank you.
Getting ready for school or work. Are you ready yet?
Almost. I just need my bag.
Hurry, we're late.
I'm coming.
Asking a family member for help. Can you help me with the dishes?
Sure, no problem.
Thank you. It won't take long.
Let's do it.
Talking about chores. Did you clean your room?
Not yet. I'll do it now.
Good, it's important.
I know.
Lunchtime at home. Are you hungry?
Yes, what's for lunch?
Pasta today.
Sounds delicious.
Asking someone about their day. How was your day?
It was good. A little busy.
Anything interesting?
Not really.
Evening tea or coffee chat. Want some tea?
Yes, please. Green tea?
Sure, I'll make it.
Thank you.
Watching TV together. What do you want to watch?
Maybe a movie?
Okay, comedy or action?
Comedy.
Good night conversation. I'm going to sleep now.
Good night. Sweet dreams.
You too.
See you in the morning.
Second, conversations at work. 1. Greeting your coworker. Good morning.
Morning. How are you?
I'm good. Ready for work?
I think so.
12. Asking about tasks. What is my task today?
You need to finish the report.
Okay, I'll start now.
Great.
13. In a team meeting. Can we begin the meeting?
Yes, everyone is here.
Today we talk about planning.
Sounds good.
14. Giving simple instructions. Can you send this email?
Sure. When?
Right now, please.
I'll do it.
15. Asking for help. Can you help me with this file?
Yes, what's the problem?
It won't open.
Let me check.
16. Small talk at work. Busy day?
Very busy. And you?
Same here.
Let's survive it.
17. Phone call. Asking for information. Hello, can I ask for some information?
Of course. How can I help you?
What are your office hours?
9 to 5.
18. Phone call. Leaving a message. Hello, is Mr. John there?
No, he's not.
Can I leave a message?
Yes, go ahead.
19. Asking for a break. Can I take a break now?
Yes, 10 minutes.
Thank you.
No problem.
20. Finishing work for the day. Are we done for today?
Yes, good job.
See you tomorrow.
See you.
Third, conversations in shops. 10 conversations. 21. At the grocery store. Where can I find the milk? Aisle 3. Thank you. You're welcome. 22. At the bakery. 1 croissant, please. Sure. Anything else? No, that's all. $2, please. 23. Buying clothes. I want a new shirt. What size? Medium. Follow me. 24. Asking for sizes. Do you have this in large? Yes, let me check. Thank you. Here you go. 25. At the restaurant. Table for 2, please. This way, please. Thank you. Enjoy your meal. 26. Ordering food. I'll have the chicken salad. And for you? The same. Great choice. 27. At the coffee shop. 1 latte, please. Hot or iced? Hot, please. Coming right up. 28. At the pharmacy. I need something for a headache. This medicine is good. How often? Twice a day. 29. Asking about medicine. Is this safe to take? Yes, but after food. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. 30. Paying at the cashier. Can I pay by card? Yes, go ahead. Thank you. Have a nice day. 4th. Social conversations. 10 conversations. 31. Meeting someone new.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you. I'm Mark.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
32. Asking basic questions. How old are you?
I'm 25. And you?
I'm 23.
Cool.
33. Talking about hobbies. What are your hobbies?
I like reading. You?
I like cooking.
Nice.
34. Giving a compliment.
I like your jacket.
Thank you.
Where did you get it?
At the mall. 35. Inviting someone over.
Do you want to come over later?
Sure, what time?
Around 6.
Sounds good. 36. Accepting an invitation.
Do you want to join us?
Yes, I'd love to.
Great.
See you there. 37. Declining politely.
Want to go out tonight?
I can't, I'm busy.
No problem.
Maybe next time. 38. Congratulating someone.
Congrats on your new job.
Thank you so much.
You deserve it.
You're kind. 39. Wishing someone well.
Good luck on your test.
Thanks, I need it.
You'll do great.
I hope so. 40. Offering condolences.
I'm sorry for your loss.
Thank you.
If you need anything, I'm here.
I appreciate it.
5th. Emergency conversations. 41. Calling an ambulance.
I need an ambulance, please.
What's the emergency?
Someone is hurt.
Help is on the way. 42. At the hospital reception.
I need a doctor.
What's the problem?
I feel very sick.
Sit down, please. 43. Describing symptoms.
I have a fever and a headache.
How long?
2 days.
I see. 44. Asking about medicine.
What medicine should I take?
This one is good.
How many times?
3 times daily. 45. Calling the police.
I need the police, please.
What happened?
My bag was stolen.
We're coming. 46. Reporting a theft.
Someone stole my phone.
When did it happen?
10 minutes ago.
Describe it, please. 47. Lost in the city.
Excuse me, I'm lost.
Where do you want to go?
The train station.
It's this way. 48. Asking for directions.
How do I get to the airport?
Take the bus number 5.
Thank you.
You're welcome. 50. Emergency contact call.
Can you call my family?
Sure. What's the number?
555-1234.
I'll call them now. 51. Asking for immediate help.
Please help me.
What's wrong?
I can't breathe.
Sit down. I'll get help.
If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to subscribe to English Bridge for more easy and fun English practice. I'd also love to hear from you. Write your questions or suggestions in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer and help you.